Hi everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the double crochet stitch. It is one of the basic crochet stitches. It works up really fast and it looks great on both sides of the fabric. So it's perfect for blankets and any other project that you can think of. So to get started in the row, we're just going to chain 2. Now I don't count these 2 chains as a stitch, but some patterns might have you chain 3 and they'll count that as your first stitch. In that case, you would skip the first stitch and work your first double crochet in here. But I don't count these 2 chains as a stitch, so I'm going to work my very first double crochet into the first stitch here. So to make the double crochet, I'm just going to wrap the yarn over the hook, insert my hook into the first stitch, wrap the yarn over again and pull it through. We have 3 loops on the hook, wrap the yarn over and pull through 2 loops. We have 2 loops left, wrap the yarn over again and pull through the last 2. And that is your first double crochet. So we're going to do that again, wrap the yarn over,